Okay, so if you're ready to get started, I have my step with a mat on top just to make it more comfortable. Remember, you can do this whole workout on just a mat on the floor. And I'm using a 5-pound dumbbell, but you can go heavier, lighter, or use no weight at all. So let's bring it down. We're gonna start with the plank right on the end of the step. So I'm gonna come down. Now, if you need that mat for your knees, if you would like to do more of a modified plank, you can. I'm going to have my thumbs on top just to keep my wrist in a neutral position. So we're gonna come into that plank. Now, tuck your pelvis. You wanna lift up out of the shoulder so you're not arching the lower back or sinking into the shoulder joint. Now, of course, you can be in a modified plank here, and that might be enough for you right now, and that is fine. We're gonna bring it up. Now, you can continue to hold this plank, but the leg closest to me, we're gonna work that first. So we're gonna bring that knee in and back. And back. Now you could be in that modified position and not including the knee. Now I'm gonna take this knee to the opposite elbow and then to the side and then down. So same elbow, opposite elbow, out to the side and down. Take breaks whenever you need to. Out and down. You got 4 more. Good, 2 left. Last one. Okay, set that down. How do you feel? Shift back, release those shoulders because they do work. Now come up onto your side. Now, if you need to take that mat down, I will do that so I can show you. I'm gonna be on the elbow. So you can have this knee down here, right? So modified side plank, you're gonna bring those knees down and lift up. Now, of course, you can have the arms straight up if you like. You could add that dumbbell. Come down and up. Those legs could be straight. That's going to make it much more challenging. Lift up. Working that bottom oblique. You got 4 more. 2 more. Last one. Okay, have a seat on your step or the floor. I'm gonna slide my mat up. Now I'm gonna be using my dumbbell. So that side that we were working, I'm going to work that arm. So I've got my 5 pounds. We're gonna lean back. You can bring your hand here or here. Now you're gonna circle back and then bring it across. Big circle back and across. Now if you need support for your back, put it behind you. So keep the abs pulled in. You have a little bit of a pelvic tuck there. You're working all the way around, so you might feel that lower back. Remember, pain is never okay, tension is. Take breaks, use no weight. Those are your options. Of course, go heavier if this is not challenging enough for you. Go back and in. So we're reaching diagonally. How are you feeling? Are you getting that core work? 1 more. Bring it center. Bring that weight diagonally. Pull it in tight. And we're gonna go side and side. Chest follows the weight. Reach out and bring it center. Go the other way. So side, side, go down, reach out, bring it center. And again, so I'm leaning back as I do this. Now add that reach. And again, reach. Okay, we have 1 more set each way. And go. Reach. Remember, don't just use the arms. Turn that torso. Here's your last set. And then reach, down, reach. Okay, now we're gonna lay down, same arm. So I'm gonna lay on my back. Make sure your neck is supported, hand behind that head, arm out to the side. You're gonna come over and back. Now this is the easier version. My feet are on the floor, or you can lift and extend. Lift and extend. What I like about doing this on the step is you get a nice big range of motion. Option here, you can always put your feet on the floor in between. Extending out is going to make it more challenging. Okay, 2 more. Here's your last one. Okay, set those feet on the floor. My hand is on my chest or on my belly. Now, I'm going to start easier version here. Lift into a crunch and down. Now, of course, neck support if you need it. Keep your chin off your chest. So I'm going to turn this into more of a sit-up. Up, reach up, down and down. Now you can put this hand wherever it helps you, okay? I just put it here to get it out of the way. Take it back. Guide it down. How are you feeling? This workout, I like it because it's short. You can add it on at the end of a workout. You got 2 more. You can reach back if you want. Okay, bring yourself up. Bring that leg up. We're going to do everything on the other side. See, we're almost done. So I'm going to take my mat. I'm going to slide it down here. Do you remember everything we did? It's okay, it's my job. Fingers on the side, into that plank. Now hold that plank. Remember, tuck your pelvis, lift up out of the shoulder. You can be in that modified plank. By being up here, it's actually a little bit easier, less body weight that you're lifting, which is a great place to start. Okay, now the leg closest to me, same elbow and back. Maybe you could just be holding the plank. Okay, we're going to progress this. Same elbow, opposite elbow. And then out to the side and down. Now, if you want to tap and tap, you can. You got 4 left. How are you feeling? Now your upper body is working too, but that core, you're trying to keep it stable. And it's working through that stability. 1 more. Okay, bring it down. Rest, release those shoulders. They did a lot. Now we got that side plank. I'm gonna scoot this. Slide this down. That's what I like about, I cut this smaller. It was just a cheap mat. Come down. Okay. Coming into our side plank. And the hand can be here or here. Legs can be extended, down and lift. Now you could be on a straight arm. Much more challenging, and it requires a really strong, stable joint. That's why I always show the elbow version. I also find that when it's a straighter arm, the shoulder tends to wear out, fatigue faster than the core muscles. You got 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice, have a seat. We're back on top of the step. So I'm gonna put this back. So do you remember what arm? So I did this arm last time. So now I'm going to do this arm. We got that circle back. We're gonna reach and across. Reach, turning your body with it. Now remember what I said, if you need support, take this hand out here. The bigger that reach with that rotation, the more you're gonna work through the obliques. Your whole core is working. Up, back. Nice big movement. It's better to have a bigger movement with a lighter weight. Good. Sit up tall, but pull those abs in tight. You're bracing those abs. Okay, bring it center. We got that twist coming. Going this way first. Reach and center. Reach and center. Now add that reach out to the side. Center. Go the other way. Reach. Turn the chest with the weight. Add that reach to the side. Nice. Reach side. Other way. How are you? Are you feeling it? Pull those abs in tight. Breathe, please. You got 2 more each way. Okay, here's the last one. Now reach side. Now I'm on my back. We're gonna start in the same way. I'll show you all your options again. So make sure the neck is supported. Let's start with our feet flat. Weight is in this hand. Remember, this can be here or behind your head because we will lift it, okay? So you're gonna bring it across and back. So easiest version. Notice when I come up, my hips don't roll. I'm really firmly keeping those hips down. Now, option here is to pull over with the legs and extend or set them down on the floor. So I'm trying to get that rotation. And I'm pulling my abs into a crunching movement. Remember, you can extend out or set them down. That way you get a little rest in between. Shorter lever. Okay, hold it. Feet on the floor, hands behind the head. Up and down, chin off the chest. Brace, exhale. Remember, that's your option. Now I am going to add that sit up. Remember, totally optional. Okay, bring it all the way up. Back. Now you can reach that dumbbell behind you like that pullover movement and deepen that. Back. I'm going to put my hand here, but if you need that neck support, take it. Exhale. Okay, just 2 more. Last one. Nice, stay up. If you're laying down, sit up with me. How did you do? Just get that weight out of the way. Quick stretch, see? Just like that, just like that. Okay, side stretch. Other way. Bring it center, lift up, rotate. Oh, that feels good. And then go the other way. Lift, rotate. Remember to breathe. Breathing is good. And then take it center, bring those arms back, kind of curl those fingertips under the step, or if you're on the floor, just reaching back. So we open up, we use the shoulders a lot. Take those shoulders down and away from your ears. Drop your chin. Very nice. Awesome job. I hope you feel great. I hope you feel worked. Let me know how you did in the comments. If you'd like to check out other core workouts I've done, check out this playlist right here. I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Be kind to yourself. You deserve it. Bye.